Hi, I'm Vimal. I'm doing a master's in data analytics, and this is a project on data visualization. And the project is to understand and compare the strategies followed by the company on loan prediction. For this, I have used the data set, and the data set is from Lending Club. They are the people who lends loan online and they don't have any infrastructure, so they maintain all the data, and they have provided data online through this website, and they have given data for different duration of years. And here you can see that data has been given from 27 to 2015. It's for both like loan data as well as decline data. I have considered only the loan data, and especially I have considered only 2014 and 2015 because these are the recent years of data. And the data, in order to understand the data, a huge sample of data is collected and then an analysis is done. So for this, I have used the architecture of bringing the big data into the consideration. So I have used the Hortonworks sandbox, and where the data is the one which I shown you is collected and then stored in my local system, and then it is moved to Hortonworks sandbox using two tools, that is Putty and WinSCP. And the data, when it is moved to the Hortonworks, then it is moved to MySQL as a staging table with the help of a command prompt, that is MySQL inline queries. I have loaded my CSV to the MySQL. The data from in the MySQL initially stored in my staging table, then and then into the 3NF table, and then it is loaded into the HDFS with the help of a famous ETL tool called Scoop. And then Hive tables are created, that is obviously in the HDFS, and the Hive table is connected to the Tableau for the visualization, and also connected to the H2O for predictions. So you can see this is the after the sandbox is installed, you can see this is the portal from which I can log in into the Hortonworks. So now I have given, this is how initially the sandwich was. Then I have given a GUI because it is easy for me to access the tools inside in it. So you can see that this is the HDFS file explorer, and this is a Hive explorer that is provided by the Hortonworks on the web. So this is the tool which I told you earlier, that WinSCP helps me to move the files from my Windows local system to the Linux. So as you can see, I have used two files, and those two files are now moved to the Windows. So this is my Hive tables. As discussed, it's being moved to the HDFS. So my MySQL tables are shown there, and their data in the 3NF tables are shown there. And I am starting my H2 for predicting my analysis of loan amount. And to access my H2O, I am using this URL which is given in the previous prompt. So initially I am loading my merge table that is present in my HDFS. Then those merge tables are then parsed in order to understand the data, and then the parsed data is, then you can see the parsed data, how it is understood based on the data types, and then all the parsed data are then merged, and we are splitting the data into train and test and validate, and the model is applied on it in order to predict the data. So you can see that the error rate has keep on increasing as the model predicts, as the model trains. You can see how well the model has predicted. It is almost to the nearer value of the loan amount. So that tells you the accuracy of the model. And then these graphs shows the performance of the company, and you can see that in this graph the loan amount is compared with the group. Among this, B group has a more loan amount, as well as in the subgroup, group B3 has high loan. Similarly, the people with more than 10 years have more have taken more loans and also have taken more loan amount. The same way, in the year 2015, October has more loan amount when compared to the others. The same way for the annual income as well. So this is the storyboard tells you about how the company has performed through the years. This particular one which are seeing now is for 2014 and this is for 2015. You can see that the company has increased its loan performance as the year in 2015. That tells you the company's interest in investing in the future of 2015. So this is how my data has moved. The predicted data has moved to my HDFS, and this graph tells you how well the model has performed and predicted the data. It's how linear it is. So this is my project on data warehouse. Thanks for watching.